thinking why I am speaking so dull. Yeah, because today we are making the another flag, that is Pakistan. I'm literally, literally, I'm so fed up. Only one word, one sentence in Hindi. ये जो पाकिस्तान है, इसे मैं खत्म करके रहूंगा. जय हिंद भारत, जय हिंद भारत. लेकिन पिछली बार आईपीएल ने सम्मी की वजह से आईपीएल पाकिस्तान जीत गई और इंडिया ऐसी इंडिया हम लोग चीज करने थे, लेकिन इंडिया टाइम के साथ खिलवाड़ हुआ है ना इंडिया ने जीत पाई. So anyways guys, today we are making पाकिस्तान हारेगी, अगला आईपीएल में जरूर हारेगी. So let's start our English. So next IPL, India will defeat Pakistan. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, India, 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 India. But unfortunately, today we are making Pakistan. So today we are first I will show you in 3x3, then in 4x4. Okay, so let's begin with the mixture of 3x3 and the 4x4. So let's get on to our video title, that is how to make Pakistan. Let's go. Okay, my giggling is too bad. Okay, so let's begin. I make it, then I will show you. My friends, Pakistan. This flag is of Pakistan. I make it 3x3. Means 4x4, sorry. Okay, and then I will teach how to make it. Okay, so guys, this is Pakistan in 4x4. Yes, I will tell you how I made it. I scramble it, then I will take it. See guys, I have scrambled it up. Okay, then I will tell you now. Okay, so first we have to make a full green hole. Means this. Means I'm showing you how green hole will look like. It will look like just like this. Just like this. Like this. You have to make this in 4x4 also. Okay, in 4x4 also. So I make it. Okay, I have made it now. Okay, see, it just look like this. See, but green and green. Okay, now you have made the star one. तुझे अभी गिरना था. Sorry. I'm so sorry for using this abusing language. So sorry. Okay. This same. Now you have made this. You have an idea how to do that star one I saw you. It should. It should. It should. Look. Like. I have Sairi in my mind. Yeah. हिंदी प्लीज. मेरा मधुर आवाज तुम तक पहुंचने के लिए मैं यूज करता हूँ ये माइक. मेरा मधुर आवाज तुम तक पहुंचने के लिए मैं यूज करता हूँ ये माइक. वीडियो पर क्लिक किया है तो प्लीज कर दो एक लाइक. इसी बात पर एक और शायरी हो जाए ताकि दाढ़ी बाबा बोलकर आ जाए. नहीं है मेरे पास दाढ़ी, नहीं है मेरे पास गाड़ी, नहीं है मेरे पास दाढ़ी, नहीं है मेरे पास गाड़ी. दाढ़ी नहीं है इसलिए मैं हूँ लड़की. इसका मतलब ये नहीं हूँ कि मैं हूँ एक लड़की. दाढ़ी नहीं है इसमें मैं हूँ एक लड़की. अगर होता मैं लड़की पहनता साड़ी. Okay, just like this. In 4x4, it should look like this. Make a white stripe like this. Make a white stripe. Then choose these three blocks. This three blocks. This one block. 1 and 2. These should be white also, and these should be. These also. And then you have to make a white like this. And this also white. And make you. Then I will show you. It should look like this. I make it this. First this, bring white stripe, and then do like this. Just like this. What I'm doing, same. Okay, same. But your Pakistan doesn't look like same. Yay. Okay. Do like this, then do like this, and these two should be white. These two also. I will show you. Okay. And please subscribe to MythPad also. MythPad. It is so funny and made very good videos. I like it. Like it? Like it. I like it. Just I like it. Means MythPad make wonderful videos. Subscribe and bell notification all to MythPad also. Okay, make funny videos and very good videos. Okay, so let's come to our topic. See, this is Pakistan. This in 3x3 it looks like this. In 4x4 it looks like this. This is Pakistan. Pakistan. Okay. Okay. I will make next part tomorrow. Till that time, bye bye. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, to my channel and MythPad. Bye bye. And press the bell icon also to all. You will receive my notification all. Okay. So till that time, bye bye and meet you in my next part. Bye bye.